Hey Sam fam, and we're back with another tutorial video, and this one is going to be how to do the timer quest. So let's just get right into it. Remember to sit back, relax, and make sure to follow my TikTok in the description down below, plus our drip TikTok, and stay tuned for all the drip information that we have over there. Sadly, we don't post often, but don't worry. So here you go. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, of course, turn on your quest so that you can add quests. Then you're going to want to name it whatever you want to name it. Since this one is going to be a timer quest, let's just call it time. We're just going to say do whatever you have to do. Until the timer runs out. So maybe let's say run to max before the timer runs out. Then if you want it to be auto unlocked, or it can require a message. This is going to be auto unlocked again, and so here we go. It's not going to be a counted quest. You're going to go to timer and seconds to wait. Let's go for 5. Or the goal can be to survive or defend or whatever. So actually, let's see. You know what? Yeah, we're just going to leave it as running to max. But you can make it whatever you want to. Then it can be auto completion, or requires message, or whatever. Then you could do send message, or nothing, or end game. We're gonna go with end game again, so then you can test it out. When you load into the game, it's there automatically, the quest and everything, and you can read the description, except there's only 5 seconds, hurry. So then you get over here, you just talk to Max, and then there you go. The quest ended after 5 seconds. And you win. Even if you didn't get to max before the timer ended, you still would have won victory and everything. But that is how you can set a timer quest and make it for whatever you want. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and help us make a better future today in the metaverse. Thank you for watching.